everyone, today I'm going to be talking about a new skincare brand which is called PHD, short for Proven Honest Derma. I actually recently got to know about this brand, and what makes the product different from other brands is that PHD is a dermatologist formulated brand built by skin experts from the USA, UK and India. So the ingredients they use are not gimmicky, rather they are clinically backed ingredients that focus on efficacy. The products that I have with me today are 3% niacinamide oil-free moisturizer, vitamin C brightening moisturizer and 1% ceramides intensive repair cream. The outer packaging, as you can see, is very sophisticated and very serious, and inside it you get these little pamphlets. These are very long and they have a very comprehensive information about why you need this product and what it does to your skin. You don't even have to Google the function of the key ingredients because they have already mentioned it for you. First, let's talk about the PHD 3% niacinamide oil-free moisturizer. It has a very gel-like texture which feels so refreshing on the skin. This is especially for oily and acne-prone skin, which happens to be my skin type, and I have been loving using this. The 3% niacinamide in it helps in controlling oil or sebum production. It also minimizes the pores and strengthens the skin barrier. Cica helps in soothing irritated skin and reducing redness. The tripeptide in it signals your skin to repair itself, improving strength and texture. As I get pimples every other day, this moisturizer has helped in reducing the pimple and calming my skin a lot. And the plus point, after using this, my skin does not oil up at all. Next, we have the vitamin C brightening moisturizer for all skin types. It targets dullness, uneven skin tone and early signs of aging. In this product, we have ethyl ascorbic acid, a derivative of vitamin C, which helps in preventing excess melanin and environmental damage to brighten your skin and protect it. You know that vitamin C essentially helps with pigmentation, uneven skin tone and dark spots, so I like to use it when my pimples leave a stubborn dark spot. It also helps my skin feel deeply hydrated because it has pentavitin, which acts as a moisture magnet, and the antioxidants in it like CoQ10 and ferulic acid helps in defending the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress. The texture of this is same as a niacinamide one, very gel-like and lightweight, and once it absorbs into the skin, your skin feels so smooth. Both these moisturizers do not feel heavy or greasy at all, and they are very hydrating on the skin. By the way, all the products are fragrance free. The next product is this PHD 1% ceramides intensive repair cream, which comes with 1% squalene. Now this product is not for everyone and not for everyday use. It is only for people with very dry, irritated and eczema prone skin. In winters, the area around my mouth gets very dry and I also get cracked heels and flaky feet, so this can be used for those issues. If someone has extremely dry elbows or knees, this cream can be great for them. Ceramides in it help in strengthening the skin barrier and locking in the moisture. Squalene is a lightweight but very hydrating ingredient which helps in supporting your barrier. Glycerin, as you know, is a moisture magnet that softens the skin, and shea butter provides intense deep nourishment and repair. This cream is a little comedogenic, which they have clearly mentioned on their website, and they have answered every other question that you might have about this cream. I really like the honesty of this brand, as the name stands for Proven Honest Derma. They are transparent about everything. I also have been using this 10% niacinamide spot correcting serum for my pimples, and it is working so well. It is almost empty. You know, even though this brand is new, they have really surprised me with their formulations and efficacy. They have very targeted products backed by global dermatologists from different countries. If I have to rank them, it will be unfair because all of them are for different purposes, honestly, but my first pick would be this 3% niacinamide oil-free moisturizer, because this is the lightest moisturizer that I have tried. And I have oily skin and pimples, so this one works really well for me, and also it does not pill under your makeup. And if I have to repurchase one product, this would be the one. If you're looking for dermatologist grade skincare that is actually effective, I would say check out this brand. It would not disappoint you. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll leave all the links to these products in the description box. Don't forget to check it out.